Kwame Love from Plant-Based Partners, and today we made a beet smoothie. Ingredients. For our ingredients, we have 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 frozen banana, 1.5 cups of water, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, a slice of ginger, slice of lemon, 2 cups of chopped beets, some ice, and 2 handfuls of spinach. Health benefits. The design of this smoothie is to aid in lowering blood pressure and promote healthy blood flow. All of the ingredients are rich in antioxidants that work to heal your body from damage caused by stress. The process. If it's your first time eating beets, be aware. Beets will turn your stool and your urine bright red, but this is a good sign that it's going through you.